Good day everyone. My name is Eloida P. Alejandre from BSE 3D. My poem is I Am a Responsible Voter, composed by yours truly. I am a responsible voter. As a person and citizen of the Philippines, I registered to choose the right candidates. But we just repeat it every time I vote. Crime, drugs, corruption are still there. I don't blame it on the elected, especially the president. What I blame is the one who allied. I feel like they're making them puppet the one who elected. I want to lead the one who knows how to listen to the grievances of his people, not the people who has money and power, but like me who is a person who has nothing but only the hope and dignity. This election season, I will do the right thing. I will not sell my vote because it seems to have lost my dignity, just in case there is already a prosperity. In today's era of the COVID pandemic, I feel like people have become wiser and more careful. Hopefully, the same goes for choosing the next leader. Thank you.